Hi, my name is NAJWA IZZATY binti NASIR. My matric number is 2020866354.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is BATRISYIA and my matric number is 2020489248.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SITI NURFARAHIN binti RADZUAN. Matric number 2020602814.
Hi, my name is NURFITRI ATHIRAH binti D1IM AZLAN and my matric number is 2020897162.
Hi, my name is NURSYAZA AINAA binti MAZRI, matric number 2020834192.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad IZMEER bin ADIL ARUAN. Matric number 2020605304.
First, you need to go to Google Chrome and then type Windows 10. Choose the first result that appear. Click Download Tool now. Wait until it's done. Choose Create Installation Media. Click Next. Click Next. Choose ISO file. Click Next. Go to Document and then Save. Wait until the progress is done. And then click Finish. Now it's already done.
For installation of virtual machine, first go to the Google and search download VMware Workstation Pro. Click at the first link, then scroll down until you see VMware Workstation 60 Pro for Windows and click Download Now. After you click it, wait a few minutes because it will take a time to download it. After finish download, click twice at VMware Workstation EXE. Then it will prepare VMware Workstation for installation. Okay, next, it will bring to the VMware Workstation Pro setup. Click Next, then it will display an user license agreement. Read it and click I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. For custom setup, click Next. For experience setting, click Next. Then also for shortcut, click Next. After that, click Install for ready to install VMware Workstation Pro. So here, be patient and waiting during installing VMware Workstation Pro. Then, after complete it, click Finish, so the VMware Workstation Pro has been installed for you. Furthermore, I will show you how to create a new virtual machine. So, first click at the VMware Workstation Pro. When it's open, you can see the page of VMware Workstation Pro that has three options, which is create a new virtual machine, open a virtual machine, and connect to a remote server. So, click at the create a new virtual machine, then choose a typical for type of configuration, click Next. Then you have option which is to install this image file ISO, but here I choose I will install the operating system later. Then click next. After that, for guest operating system, choose Microsoft Windows, version Windows 10x64, click next. For the virtual name is Windows 10x64, next. For this size, you can set up it. The maximum disk size is 60GB, but I just set it 20GB. So next. For the ready to create virtual machine, click finish. So wait a couple of seconds, then virtual machine is done.
So to install Windows 10, just click on CD DVD SATA and then press browse. After that, choose to download Windows and then open. Then just click on power on virtual machine. So wait a moment. And then boot manager will show. Then press boot normally. After that, you can choose the language of the Windows. So the language that I'm choosing is Malay. After that, just click on next. And then just press I don't have it, the key, and press Windows 10 Pro N, which it will show of what you want to install, and then just press next. And then press next again. So just press next again. And then it will install. So there is a restart, so you just have to wait a bit. And then just press setup for personal use, and then just press next. Then enter your email address. And just click on next. And then create your password. Then press next. Click on OK. Then the privacy setting will show up. And then click on accept. And then click on continue. And the Windows might take several minutes to download, so just wait. Almost there, and finally, there you go, Windows 10, and thank you.
Next, I will show the recycle bin, my computer, network, documents and control panel icons on the desktop. First of all, click the left button and click Personalize, then click the theme and click the desktop setting icon on your right. Lastly, click all desktop icons and apply. The desktop icon will appear on your desktop. To change the background is click the left button and click Personalize. Next, select the background image of your choice and your background picture has been changed.
First, go to Google search box and type driver booster. And then download the driver booster. After it done being downloaded, then wait for the driver booster to be installed. After done, it will scanning the PC driver. After it done scanning the driver, it will show that some device driver that need to be updated. Click update and then click OK. Now, we just wait for updating the device driver. We also can choose if you want to update all or just update certain device driver. First, what we need to do is right-click on Windows Start button and click on Disk Management. After click, the Disk Management will appear. On the middle, there is Disk 0 partition. What we need to do is right-click on the OS Install section from the Disk 0 part. After that, click Shrink Volume and wait for a second. Then, we need to fill the amount of the space that we want to shrink. After we enter the amount, click Shrink button. It will take some time for shrink the space. After it done, the new section name allocated beside the OS install will appear. Right-click the new section and click New Simple Volume. After that, a new Simple Volume wizard will appear. At this part, we just need to follow the instruction and click Finish. The section that allocated will change to New Volume. We can check the new drive at this PC section. First, we need to open PC Properties by right-click on this PC icon and choose Properties. On your right, there are related setting choices and we need to choose Advanced System Settings. The system properties will appear like this, and on the Performance section, click the Settings button. After that, the Performance option will appear and choose Advanced. At the Virtual Memory section, click Change. The Virtual Memory setting will appear and unclick the Automatically Manage Paging file size for all drives. After that, click Add Custom Size. Then, open Calculator to calculate for the initial size and maximum size. After we get the amount for the initial and maximum size, then click Set and click OK. And lastly, click OK. Now, your virtual memory have been set.
In the next step, I will show you how to create a user account. Go to the Start button, click HP and click Change Account Settings. Then, click Sign in with a Microsoft account instead and click 1. Fill in your email and password and click Next. Fill in your first name, your last name, and your personal information. After clicking the Next button, enter the current password of your Windows and click Next and wait a few minutes. And congratulations, you already have a user account.
So this is how to create a group account. So just click on Windows icon and then group management, and then just click on local users and group, then click on group and press new group, and then just type in your group name, and then type in your group description. After that, just click on create. Then click on group again to see your group. After that, click on it to check. So this is how to share a folder. So first click on documents, and then click on documents again, and then left click on OS installation. After that, give access to specific people. Then type in the person name that you want to share with, and then add. Then click on share, and that's it.
I will show you how to run a task manager. Click on the Windows button and then click Task Manager. Task Manager is a system monitor program used to provide information about processor and the application running on the computer. I will show you how to run a device manager. First, right-click on the Windows button and then click Device Manager. And then wait for a second. Device Manager allows user to view and control the hardware attached to the computer itself.
In conclusion, an operating system is a software that manages computer hardware and software resources and to provide public service for computer program. So you need to follow all the steps that has been shown through this video to create a virtual machine and installing Windows 10. The most important thing is you need to have enough space for storage to complete the installation.